Hey you guys, literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Yo. I am now a BoxyCharm premium member. You guys all know from my last Ipsy video, that was my last bag. Listen, I was tired of getting disappointed with crappy little sample products of brands that I have no idea who they are. I was sick of spending $13, $15, $16, whatever the hell it was. I decided I'm going to go ahead and put forth the money to get something that I'm hoping is going to be worth it. So I went ahead and did 6 months upfront of BoxyCharm Premium. So that was about $210 for 6 months. I think with shipping and tax, it came out to like $222 something. But I'm guaranteed to get 6 full-size items in every box, and I get to pick 2 each month. Now, unfortunately, because I joined late June and this is July's box, I was not able to pick my 2, but I don't care because I scoured the internet for spoilers and I saw there's something inside this box that will just take care of all the doubt I had, at least for this box. So we're gonna open up this baby and see what I got and add everything up at the end and see if it was worth, I think it's $35 a month. So here we go. All right, we've been staring at this box for like a minute now, so we know what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so we got some orange foam, and check that out, bitch. I'm a premium member. Let's see. All right. Looking good this month. Status, ooh. Holy shit. See that? Huh. All right, let's go ahead and read. Oh, wait. Okay, look, no crappy copy for the actual theme of the month. They just give you what you got with the prices. So we'll read each of those as we go through the items. Well, that's nice, so I don't have to feel awkward reading some terrible copy with this month's theme. But, you know, it's cute. So there are 6 items in here because I do see that there is something underneath there, and that's the one that I want. So let's start with like maybe some mediocre things first. Let's take this out. I'm gonna move her off camera. So the first product that we have is Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream. All right, I'm gonna read the little thing here. With a heart of geranium flower oil, Geronimo is a little floral, a little herbal, and so very Moorish. Natural oils including jojoba, argan, and almond nourish the skin without making it greasy. Free from colors and parabens, cruelty-free, made in England with 100% responsibility sourced natural oils. This retails for $32, and I guess it's just a whole body cream. Oh, not even a safety seal. What do you know? Hold on. Okay, it's not terrible. I mean, it does have a scent, but I'm always up for some body cream, especially for my legs in the winter because my calves are like dry tissue paper. So this will be nice to have. It's definitely full size. So, all right, first one down. Next, always can use these. These look like little makeup sponges. Let's see here. Luxie all-purpose sponge set. The duo-sided beauty sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it on your skin. The microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or wet will apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation. This is some big words to describe some makeup sponges. These retail for $40. $40. Are they made from like rabbit fur? I wouldn't like that, to be honest. They look like dirty. Is that just me? Or does that look like dirty? Like this could be repackaged, you know, like when you get refurbished things and they come in like some kind of generic packaging. But we're gonna give them a shot. You can never go wrong with more beauty blenders. Okay, the next thing, I'm actually really excited because I believe this is a facial cleanser. Let's see here. Avant Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Oxidizing Cleansing Gel. Perfect. I actually just used the last little bit from my last Ipsy facial cleaning sample gel, so I am in need of this. A mild, non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts, it helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. The perfect first step in your skincare routine. All right, this retails for $110. Holy fucking shit. It has mermaid tears in it, apparently. All right, hold please. Yeah, it smells like cleanser, but very excited to try that because like I said, I'm out of facial cleanser, so I will be using that tonight. All right, this next thing is from Skin Inc. Supplement Bar. Cute little box. Let's go ahead and, oh, that's kind of cute and pretty. Let's see here. Skin Inc. Serum Glow Filter. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup serum glow filter. Blending beauty and technology in one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with a rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and it is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. This retails for $50. Well, if you're new to this channel, I'm not really a big fan of glowy, dewy stuff, but I have found that lately, you know, maybe I do like a little bit of a glow. So I have no problem trying this out. It's a really cute bottle. All right. Ooh, there we go. All right. I can definitely try it as like maybe a primer or something. I'm not exactly sure what step it goes to in a skincare makeup routine, but you know, it's really pretty and matches all of my rose gold things on my vanity. So if anything, it's a nice little decoration. All right, let's get into the good stuff. So when I opened the box, you saw I was surprised to see this. I honestly have never tried anything from Ofra, and I've always wanted to because people say that their highlighters are amazing. And if you can read this, it says this is the On the Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. So that is pretty exciting. Let's go ahead and... Oh, wow. That is something. That is something. Let's see. Blissful Highlighter, Egyptian Clay Bronzer, Americano Bronzer, California Dream Triangle, Beverly Hills Highlighter, and Rodeo Drive Highlighter. Wow. You do get a mirror. Wow, these are really pretty. Should I swatch some? What do you think? Let's do this like rose gold highlighter. We'll go right over that serum. Oh my God. Oh yeah, that, I don't know if I would use that as a highlighter, but that's definitely at least an eyeshadow. Holy shit. All right. Wow. Okay. That's very beautiful. Let's just go ahead and swatch this bronzer. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I mean, they're definitely you know, shimmery. Okay. All right. All right. I am super excited about that. I was so excited I didn't even read the card. Let's see here. Ofra Cosmetics on the Glow Pro palette. Glow like you mean it. The ultimate tool for creating a bronze glow. This stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones, whether you are a makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiast who loves variety. This palette is all you need for a glam that shines AM to PM. Retail value $149. Well, shit, man, if that's true, this palette pretty much paid for my almost my 6-month subscription to BoxyCharm. But you know how these things are. This is pretty cool, though. I'm very excited to play with that. That is going to definitely be a exciting journey for me. All right. Are you ready? I saw that this was spoiled on Instagram and every premium box was going to get this. And I was like, fuck, man, I joined at the right time because this is something that I actually wanted to buy. And now I have it. Yes, guys, it is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette. Like, what? When Manny released these, I was like, this is something I need, and I don't know why I didn't get it, but I'm so glad I didn't because, guys, look at this. Are you ready? Are you ready for this neutral girl's wet dream? Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, oh my God. Look at all of those. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. It's like the camera can't even capture it. I am so excited about this. Oh, I can't wait to play. Here, let's swatch a little bit, huh? All right, what do we do? Let's go with, all right, let's just go with the theme. Let's go with Cherry Blossom. Oh, so buttery. Oh my God. Okay, let's do a shimmer. Let's do, oh God, I don't even know. All right, let's stay in the family. Let's go Sam. Oh my, I heard that these shimmers were absolutely amazing. I cannot freaking wait to play with these. Oh, and we've got to do milk tea, of course, because Manny and I are both huge boba fans. Oh, let's get a little bit more of that in there. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that color story. I am just so in love. Oh my God. All right, again, I was too excited and just jumped in to play. I didn't even read the card. All right, let's see. Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette. Soft and romantic 18 well eyeshadow. 18 well. Oh, 18 wells. Why couldn't you just say pan? Soft and romantic 18 well eyeshadow palette of neutrals and soft pinks, 6 shimmers and 12 mattes. Perfect ratio for me. This retails for $48. I love you. All right, guys, let's add up everything and see what the value is of this box, because I believe since I bought 6 months up front, this ended up being about $35 for the month of July. So first we got the Geronimo body cream for $32. Then we got the 2 Luxie makeup sponges for $40. We got the Avant skin cleansing gel, $110 somehow. We got the Skin Ink Rose Gold Glow Serum thingy. That was $50. We got the Ofra On The Go Highlighter Bronzer Palette. That was $149. And then we got the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette, which was $48. So if we add all of that up, that is a total of $429. So I think that this went pretty well. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm, if anything was different or anything was like way cooler. I'm hoping that moving forward, they're all this good. I'm not going to get my hopes up. It is owned by Ipsy or has some affiliation with Ipsy. And you know that that is just a big disappointment for Bunny. If you could please like this video, that would be awesome. Again, comment on any of these things and what you got. And if you could subscribe, that would be even awesomer. I love you guys. I will see you on the next one.